Okay guys, this is Raz. We did a project with him with Greenworks Construction. We did for them a custom railing job, laser cut, spatial symbol. It's like a Chinese symbol. Raz, what can you say about this project?
So we started this project like a year ago with our client Annie and Anthony. This project it's in between LA and Beverly Hills. This is a new construction house. In the end, we had to install railing for the rear and front balconies, which you can see here. This is the front with the accent wall with beautiful fixtures. In the back, we had to match the railing to the exterior lights. Obviously, we had design on site all the way, and it was very important to the client to have a beautiful and seamless and clean finish with the railing, something that will be very, very thin. So obviously everything is per code. Okay, this is the back. Here you have the exterior light also.
So basically everything is matching with the flow of that symbol. That symbol is like a tradition symbol
Chinese.
in the Chinese culture.
Yeah, so basically this project was very, very high-end, which we are working with Leo and Globus Gates very, very close. In the last few years. So this is one of many projects that we have done. As a contractor, it's important to me to have someone that I can lay on with lead time, quality, and transparent with clients also, and obviously price. So this is why I chose working with Leo. It was a great communication. It's very transparent. Globus Gates has a very, very impressive portfolio that we can work with, and client was happy. Me as a contractor, I was happy. Everybody is win-win situation.
Working in Beverly Hills, there is a very high level of standards. This is one of them. This is one of the jobs that the details are very super important, especially the customers. They ask for something very custom made.
How do you say it? Trust the product?
Trust the product.
Trust the product.